All right, today I have Miracle-Gro indoor plant food spikes that I'm going to be placing in the soil of my plants. This is supposed to give them the nutrients that they need so they can thrive. It says right here, it feeds all flowering and foliage houseplants. As Fertilizer, todas las plantas. I can't read the French down there, but you get the idea. So here's a typical plant that they're showing in the diagram. Here are the spikes that go inside of the soil, and this is a tool that's used to push them down into. Now, how to use this, it says right here on the back, make a hole in moist soil with the Miracle Aerator. Say that right? Spike halfway between the plant stem and the pot rim. Place one plant food spike in each hole and press it down until it's covered by the soil. In the spring and summer, replace every 30 days. Oh, it says, in the spring and summer, replace every 30 days, replace every 60 days in the winter and fall. Water plants regularly as required. Safe for all houseplants when used as directed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. There's some instructions on here or some more cautions that you should definitely read down there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says, let's see, spikes. It shows you right here. Spikes needed for a, what is this? Spikes needed. Okay, so the diameter of the pot, it says 3 to 4 inches diameter, 5 to 6 inches diameter, 7 to 8 inches, 9 to 10 inches, and 11 to 12 inches. And so it shows the different diameters of the pot, and then below they actually have how many spikes that you need. I actually have a 11 to 12 inch pot, so I'm gonna use 6 of those on one particular pot, maybe 5 of them on the 10 inch. I have 3 10 inches, and I'll use those. Will I have enough? I might have to use, let me come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 of them is good for my 12-inch pot. I think it might be larger than 12 inches, but I'm gonna put it in anyway. Go ahead and pull out a stack of 5. Go ahead and do this, and I'm going to separate them. Let me put this to this side first. 5 spikes. And then right here. So I use this diameter of the pot, make a hole in the moist soil with the Miracle Aerator, spike halfway between the plant stem and the rim. Place one plant food spike in each hole and then press down until it's covered by soil. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Place one spike in each hole and press down until covered by soil. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna use the spike right here to make the hole, and then I'm gonna press these down in there. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Halfway between the plant and the rim, I'm gonna go ahead and place those down there right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make, I don't see why I have to do this, but I'm following the instructions to, see, 3, 4, 5, something like that. I can't even see where the holes are at, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. There's one in there. There's one right here. And then let's see where the other one's at. One right there. And then one right there. And then one right there. The other hole is like right there. gonna go ahead and take this and I'm gonna press it down. It's covered by soil. I'm just gonna take this in. Covered by soil. 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 So those are all in there. And so when I water the plant, it actually is going to dissolve the plant food spikes and give nutrients to the plant. I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones. All right, so I have this one right here. This is about roughly the same size, but I don't have a lot of plants in here, just a little bit right here. So I'll put maybe about 4 of them in this one right here. Just place them inside of the holes that I did, that it's not on camera. Place in the holes, then I'm gonna get a hole pusher. And I'm gonna go ahead and push this down. Push that one down. Push this one down. Push that one down. All right, and then I have my fiddle leaf right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the holes halfway between the plant and the rim. And let's see, there's one more over here. All right, so I have that in that. I'm just gonna go ahead and place these down in there now. Let's see. Boom. Now I would recommend using gloves when you're doing this. I'm just doing this for video purposes, how I'm doing it right here. But I would definitely recommend using gloves on that. So I have that in there. Now I'm just gonna push it down with the spike. And then here. Over here. Make some holes right here. So I have that all in there. I'm gonna take this and push it down like it says I'm supposed to do. Let's take the video, and voila. That's how you add the Miracle-Gro spikes. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.